Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you fix the TikTok not login issue. So if you are facing the issue of TikTok not being able to log in, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if your device is not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to log in. But if you are connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data and still not being able to log in, then you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So simply click on the airplane mode button and after a few seconds simply turn it off. So this helps you to fix the network issue which you are getting on your device. So after that you just need to open Play Store or App Store and search TikTok app. So search the app TikTok and see if there is any update available on the app. So if there is any update available and if you have not updated the app, then that may also be the reason that you are getting such type of issue. So simply update the app and make sure that it is up to date. And after updating the app, if it is still not being able to log in, then you just need to uninstall the app from here and simply reinstall it to fix the issue. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of not being able to log in on TikTok. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.